Hey muñecas, today is that day of the week for me. I have to wash my makeup brushes. Washing my makeup brushes was like really something that I really dislike doing. I don't know, it was so time consuming. It was just not fun being there, swirling your brushes, cleaning them for over 30 minutes. It was just not fun. It was something that I never looked forward to. But recently I found out this method that really works for me. It really saves me a lot of time. And I really find that this method deep cleans my brushes like the best out of anything else that I've tried before. And again, the best part of it is that it simplifies my life. Like today, for example, I'm just that tired. I came out of work and I'm ready to just relax a little bit and do the things that I have to do. Like I don't really have the time to be cleaning my brushes for that long. But it was that time of the week, so I decided to share with you guys the method that I'm using right now to clean my brushes. Really like take care of my brushes and make sure that they last me a very long time. By the way, in today's video, I will be using a couple of gadgets from Sigma that really help me speed up the process and really help me take care of my brush. If you want to see how I deep clean my brushes in a speedy time, then just keep on watching. So here are my dirty brushes. As you can see, I have quite a good amount of them. I have eye makeup brushes, I have face brushes, and they're all quite filthy. Can you see that there? I think so. So of course we gotta begin with that, and then I like to have a container, something like that. You can get a cup, you can get a container. It doesn't have to be clear. I just wanted something clear so that you guys can see everything in action, so I'm using this one right here. And then of course you need your soap, which today I'm going to be using this one from Sigma. I have been loving this one in particular because it's 100% natural and it makes it super easy for you to clean your brushes. You can actually use it individually just to clean out your brushes like one by one. The method that I am sharing with you today is for whenever I have a lot of dirty brushes and I don't want to spend the time like scrubbing each and every one of them. So we're gonna be using this one today, but you can also use dishwashing soap if you have at hand. I just like this one because it's very gentle with my brushes and I feel like it really helps like really get into the dirt. So yes, we're gonna need that. And last but not least, we're going to be using about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar so that we can really disinfect our brushes and get them to be brand new again. I'm gonna fill the cup up to almost half, but not quite, and we're gonna warm it up in the microwave so that it's nice and warm. Now I'm going to be putting in the brush shampoo. I'm going to be putting in about 10 drops, like full pumps. If you're using dishwashing soap or baby shampoo, then I would recommend to put about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to put in the tablespoon of vinegar. And now it's time to mix all of the ingredients together. And now we're going to be taking all the brushes together and we're going to dunk them into the mix. And we're gonna let it sink in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. Right, so it's been a little bit over 20 minutes, to be honest. I kind of forgot about it, but as you can see, the cup, the water looks quite filthy already. So that means that it's already cleaning it for you. Like it already did most of the work for you. And now we're ready to continue. Now I'm going to be using my Sigma Express brush cleaning glove. This is going to make it easier for me to get rid of any other dirtiness that is still on the brushes. You can see I divided the brushes in 2 sets. Like I'm actually using a whole lot of them at once. And the reason being is because they're practically clean already. I'm just going through the bristles of this little mat right here to make sure that it removes anything, like any leftover, any grittiness that is in there. Like foundation sometimes likes to stay in there, but so now I'm going to get clean water, and I'm dipping them back in here again. Give them a good rinse with the water and use a towel to dry them. I have all the brushes here already nicely clean. You can see the results right there. And now I'm going to be using this amazing gadget from Sigma. That is the Sigma Dry and Shape Tower. And here you put your brushes to set. I love it because you can put them like facing down, and you can put, let me put them here so you guys can see. You can find like the little space for the brushes based on the size of the brush. They're facing down, so that means that if you have any excess of water, it is going to drain, so you're not going to be damaging the actual brush. So I'm just going to place them all in here and let them dry overnight usually. If you want them to dry a little bit faster, you're going to put them by a window. So that is it. That is how I take care of my brushes. That's how I wash them and I clean them. Super duper easy for me, and how I make sure that they last me for a very long time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in any other products that I mentioned today, any of the gadgets from Sigma, I will leave the names and the links in the description box, and also I will leave the coupon code so that you can again get 10% off. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Mil besos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.